Notification sound stopped working after iOS 27 update? Here are a few fixes you can try. First, perform this basic troubleshooting. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Look for Silent Mode at the top. If this is on, turn it off. Next, exit the Settings app and swipe from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Now make sure Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is turned off, since both can silence notification sounds. Second, check sound settings. Open the Settings app once again. Then select Sounds and Haptics. Look for the ringtone volume slider and drag it to the right. Next, scroll down just a bit and tap on Text Tone. Make sure it isn't set to none and choose a notification sound that's easy to hear. You should also check alert sounds for other notifications such as new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and default alerts. Make sure they're set to audible tones. Once you're finished, send yourself a message to check whether the notification sound is working again. If not, then restart notification settings. For this, open the Settings app. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From the list, find and select any messaging app like WhatsApp, for instance. Next, tap on Notifications. At the top, turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. After that, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, go back to the notification settings of the same app and turn Allow Notifications back on. If the problem persists, turn off attention-aware features. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down once again. Turn off the attention-aware features option. This feature can automatically lower the notification volume when your iPhone detects that you're looking at the screen. If the issue still isn't fixed, reset all settings. Go back to the Settings app. Scroll down just a bit and open General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings from the options. This won't erase your personal data, but it will reset your notification settings, sounds, and other system settings back to their default values. I hope one of these solutions helped fix the problem.